Hello children, in this lesson you will learn how to use modal verbs properly. Let's look at some examples of what modal verbs are. Can, could, may, might, should, have to. Can is used with different meanings. Can be used to give permission. For example, can I go to the cinema with my friend? In this sentence, we're asking for permission to go somewhere. Next, it is used to make general statement about possibility. Next, can is also used to talk about someone's ability or skills. Can is also used to make a request and to talk about general truths and to make a suggestion. Next modal verb is the modal verb could. Could is used as a polite way of telling or asking someone to do something. For example, could you close the door, please? In this sentence, the question is asked in a polite way. Next, could is also used when we are talking that something is possible but not certain. Thirdly, could is also used to make some request and to talk about the ability in the past and to make a suggestion in a more polite way. Verb may. When we are not sure about something in the present or future, we are using the modal verb may. For example, Jack may be coming to see us tomorrow. In this sentence, we don't know for sure if Jack is coming. Next, modal verb may can also be used to make request, to talk about possibility, to make wish. So, next modal verb is the modal verb should. Modal verb should is most commonly used to make recommendation or give advice. It can also be used to express obligation as well as expectation. For example, I should do some work tonight. You should look for a better job. In this sentence, we are making a recommendation for someone to do something. And we can also use shouldn't as the negative form. For example, you shouldn't sit in the sun all day. In this sentence, shouldn't is also used to make a recommendation. The final modal verb we are discussing is the modal verb must. It is used to express obligation and necessity. For example, you must listen to your teacher. It is an obligation that students have to listen to their teacher. So, children, thank you for your attention.